Orege munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ni atungitio igũtha ni rũhonge rwa igooti thutha wa acirithania Eric Ogolla, Anthony Mrima na Frida Mugambi gwĩtĩkĩria ndereti ya kũmũhagũra ĩcirirwo ni bunge ya Senate.
We find that exercising restraint at this stage will enhance and allow independent institutions of government to function unhindered and in their fullness, except in the clearest of cases. It is our view that this is not one such case where intervention is automatic. The issues raised by the parties will require to be interrogated. We therefore find that the enhancement of the constitutional principle of separation of powers will be best served by declining the application at this point.
Acirithania aya moigĩte Gachagua arenda meciririe itua rĩrĩa rĩgũkinyanirio nĩ bunge ya Senate ĩndĩ arĩ ona mweke ũngĩ wa gũkinya cira igoti-inĩ ona angĩkorwo bunge ya Senate nĩ kũmũhagũra.
At the moment, we are being called upon to anticipate the outcome of a process yet to be completed. The application at this stage is premature and anticipatory. Should the petitioner not succeed, the petitioner still have an opportunity to approach the court after the process. The applications are not without a remedy.
Acirithania moigĩte na munini ũngĩ wa president angĩamũrwo orĩo thutha wa Gachagua kũhagũrwo, igoti no mũhaka rĩrĩthũrima kana mĩtaratara ya kĩwatho ĩrĩa ĩkũrũmĩrĩrwo nĩ mĩkinyanĩru kana aca.
We take the view that every office holder can only assume office legally and constitutionally. The assumption of office cannot oust the court's jurisdiction. The court has unfettered jurisdiction to check on the constitutionality of the process at whatever stage.
Oho acirithania aya moigĩte ona angĩkorwo nĩ atatũ, itua rĩa mũcirithania Chacha Mwita rĩa mũthenya wa ira nĩ rĩkinyanĩru na ũyũ nĩ ũndũ ũrĩkĩtie gũtuithanio nĩ igoti na ũguo ndũragĩrĩirwo gũcirĩrĩrwo rĩngĩ.
Unfortunately, we did not come across any holding persuasion that a decision of an expanded multi-judge bench of the High Court of Kenya is superior to that of a single judge. This court therefore finds that the challenges raised in the instant applications are similar to those dealt with in Nairobi High Court Constitutional Position number E 550 of 2024. In applying the tenets of the doctrine of res judicata to this matter, we have no doubt and do hereby find and hold that the applications herein are in four corners with the one dealt with in Nairobi High Court Constitutional Petition number E 550 of 2024. The applications are hence caught up by the doctrine of res judicata.
Mawakiri a Gachagua nĩ mahetwo rũtha kuongerera icunjĩ cia cira wake na mekwendaga cira ũyũ ũgwetwo Jumaa yũkĩte ĩndĩ acirithania maathana cira ũyũ ũgwetwo tarĩki 29 mweri ũyũ. Ngiribotera Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.